We gotta change some paper. Look at you guys. What good puppies. What good puppies. Hey, Dutch. There's Mama.
No. Oh my gosh,
Come on, lady. Oh, gonna stay on the boat, huh?
Is it like your boat?
Yeah, it just reminds me of like a boat, because they all get in the boat, then they come out, go potty, and go back in the boat. There's George and Duchess playing.
Aww.
Oh, Duchess is gonna rip his head off. Lizzie's gonna get involved. Yep, Lizzie says, I'm in.
She's like a bear. Poor George.
Now Duchess is gonna get her.
George and Duchess and oh my gosh, Harry's not the playful one anymore.
Harry's tired. He's been playing.
Yeah. You're so cute. Oh, Duchess. Oh, Dad.
George is gonna eat Lady's snack. Oh no, she's gonna bite him back.
Where's Lady's snack?
Now he's getting her leg.
Duchess. Hi, baby.
Oh, look at her little tail going.
My hands are clean. Oh, hi. Oh,
It's Miss Lady.
hi.
And George is heading over there. Whoa.
He's licking. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Hi. Just both feed them.
Yeah. We're going to start them on some puppy food or some wet, mushed up food probably today later.